Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how can you insert the hyperlink in your HTML web page. Means how can you navigate from one web page to the another web page, okay, in a HTML. So for this you have to see my full video and please subscribe my channel for the latest update, okay. So let's start. So see here, I have already opened one HTML app here, okay. So this is the basic format of HTML. So for this I have to enter the one HTML web page, okay, to this particular current page. So see here, I'm going to the file manager and see here, these are my already made HTML pages, okay. So I have to link this web page, link.html, okay. I have to link this web page to my current web page, okay. I want to link this particular web page. So that particular this web page name is link.html, okay. So for this I have to go to my current web page. My current HTML web page is abc.html and I want to link this link.html page to my current web page, okay. So let's start. So say my current HTML page title name is linking HTML, okay. So in body part I have to enter the tag for entering the hyperlink, okay. So the tag name is anchor tag, okay, and the tag is A, okay. A defines the anchor tag and then we have to enter the property of href, okay, hyperlink reference property, and then equal. Now I have to enter our HTML web page. So what is the name? The name is link.html. I have to enter this web page to my current document. So link.html, okay. And now I have to close it and I have to write the text, okay. So for this I have to enter the text and then it will navigate to that particular link.html page. So say my text is click here, okay. So when click here is my text, when I click on the click here text, then it will navigate to the link.html page, okay. And now and here I want the name of some page. So say my page name is main page, okay. And here I have to enter as a bold letter. I want the letter as a bold letter, and here I have to close it. Okay, so saved. Now see, so main page, then click here. So I want this clicker in the next line. So I want this in the next line. So for this I have to enter the br tag for break line, okay. Now see this, okay. I have to save this one. So see here, main page, then click here. Why click here? Because see here, I have entered the text click here. So when I click on this, it will navigate you to the link.html page, okay. So click here. So click here. So see, welcome to JNP world, okay. So I can see, say if I write something in place of click here to only click, okay. Then saved, then see here, click. See, welcome to JNP world. So like this you can enter your link in the HTML page. Okay, so if you like my video, then please like the video and share the video, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel for the latest update. Thank you all.